Hi, I'm Jenny Greer Whipple, and I live in Mesa, Arizona with my husband and my youngest daughter. My other two children are grown, and I'm going to show you a family picture. Just a sec. This is my husband and I and our family almost 2 years ago, but this is the most recent picture we have on my computer of everybody together. So my youngest daughter is just peeking over my husband's shoulder there, and she is 18 and in the Pathway program this year. And then my oldest daughter is next to me on the couch, and our son is peeking in between behind us. Let me show you some more current pictures. This is my daughter and her husband and their two children. Being a grandparent is the best, and we love that they live just about 10 minutes away from us, and we get to see them a lot. And this is my son and his fiance. They'll be getting married in just a couple of weeks. So that will make for an exciting semester for me to try to manage the wedding and all of my schoolwork. I am just about finished with my degree in marriage and family. I will be graduating in December, and I'm pretty excited about that because I started college 28 years ago. I'm looking forward to a career as a parent educator, and then possibly going to grad school and becoming a trauma therapist, but that's a little ways down the road. Something that's interesting about me is that I jumped off of a quad last year in March 2017, and I broke my foot and my ankle, and I have had 2 surgeries, and now I have 3 plates, a cable, 2 metal buttons, and 17 little screws, and 1 big screw in my ankle and in my foot. And I'm just barely learning how to walk correctly again. So I'm excited in time for the wedding to be able to walk. Also, I like to read, I like to sing, I like to sew, lots of crafty things like that. But mostly I just like to be with my family. So how I'd like to apply the things I learned in this class will most likely happen in my career and with my family. But that's a little bit about me.